RF. One by one, trying to push this, trying to break this.
Explode all options. They'd explode all options. We were thinking from coming from behind, but there was absolutely no way we could come.
The biggest equipment
The only was from behind. This also was traffic was there. So when this raging fire here, so we tried to fight this. And what happened is, as you can see, there are a lot of skin sheets. So they fell and covered the entire interior.
Kala shimpor hadu kumba sabho kenta yaki kunhun pilip ding bakin la ban pilip du ya kading kabala klang na kajing plu jong kayeng kabala jaha thana road Khyndailad Shillong haka khat saw trik risau kani kaying saw mala kabadan shibun ki jaka butiar bat ka bakun thuk ro ya kaying sa jong ki jingkhania kala sha pun julor phom haka ni ka jingjia kabala jaha ka por kumba shibji ar phau no phaisingi na kaliang umentri rangba ka jela Conrad ke sangma haka sining kong kata khanriu trik risau Ula penlong ka jingle Jurip ya kani ka ying kabala sya bamdu na ka jingplu ding ka batrim ka badai jong amit singhania. Chief Minister Conrad sangma ula bisharbnia halor kani ka jinglong jingman baro harangkar Chief Secretary UDGP batki waipat ki he sarkar. La ban kedau bakani ka jingplu kabala ja ha kate ka sngi kala thau rekod ha ka bedai bat ka jing shimpor ban la ban pilip du yaka. Yaki basa bat ki jingjulor lala ban sakhi kat bau Chief Minister bat ki wei pat ki he sarkar kidang lei ban Jurip ya kani ka jingja kabala shimru ya ka jing im jong wei unong trei uba kerteng usampat sing jangir uba trei kum manager hapo bhajan lal.
Just visited the site of the fire incident that took place in this bazaar 48 hours back, and it was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident and an accident that took place, and we do express our sympathies and our concerns to the families that were affected by the fire and the accident that took place. I would like to mention that this had a very, very big potential to be a very disastrous situation. Because this was in the middle of the market area, a very congested area and a very difficult area for the fire services and other services to come in and do their work. But in spite of the challenges, the different departments, especially the fire service, the army, the air force, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and the community and all the other officials from different departments had come in and really worked very hard. If you can see behind me, the buildings are very close, and even behind the buildings there were other small residential areas. But in spite of these challenges, the department and the officials were able to contain, and the fire did not spread beyond this particular building, and that in itself is something that I must thank and appreciate the work that has been done by the officials from, as I said, the departments, the fire service, the police, the administration, and NDRF, SDRF, and of course the armed forces, and a special mention to the armed forces who really supported us in this very, very difficult and complicated situation. And the community was also very supportive of us. At the same time, this is also, of course, a situation where a detailed investigation will be done, and we will go into details of the reasons why this has happened, and of course we will also go into issues of how to make sure that these kind of complicated situations are avoided and can be stopped in the future, and also to measures on which how we could improve the overall service and the response that we will give. Though the response here was very swift, we still have a challenge. The building was also in a way a go down, and hence it has got a lot of materials inside, be furnitures or other kind of plastic materials, and therefore those kind of materials also inside led to the challenges. And as I said, in spite of all those challenges, the fire did not spread to other buildings, and that was in itself a great achievement. But as I said, we need to go into details and find out what has happened, how it happened, and what measures to take in the future to ensure that not just in Shillong but in any other part of the state, we avoid these kind of situations. Safety audits and other audits will need to be done. All of these will be examined. We are having a cabinet meeting on the 18th, and a detailed discussion will happen on that day.